This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Masech Sheviis, Perek Mishna Vav. Elu Kalim She'ina Omen Rashay Lamachrim Bashviis. These are the tools that a craftsman is not allowed to sell to an Amoritz on Sheviis, because the Amoritz is not trusted to keep the halachas of Sheviis, and so selling him these tools that are used only for work that's forbidden on Sheviis is usher because of Lifnei Iver Leisitin Michshol Macharesha, a plow, V'chol Keleo, and all the tools that come along with the plow. Ha'il, the yoke that's used to harness an animal to the plow, v'hamizre, and a winnowing tool, v'hadakar, and a hoe, because all of these tools are only used for malacha that's forbidden on Sheviis. The Mishnah continues and teaches that, however, a person is allowed to sell to an Amoritz a tool that can be used both for something which is asr and also for something which is mutter, because since it has a use which is mutter, a person is allowed to sell it to the Amoritz. Avol meicher hu magal yad. However, a person could sell a hand sickle that's used to cut wheat, umagel kotzer, and a reaping sickle that's used to cut wheat, va'agola v'chol keleh, and a wagon and all the tools that are needed for it in order to bring the wheat from the field, because a person is allowed to reap small amounts of produce on Sheviis and bring them to their house. And the Mishnah concludes with the rule, Zeh haklal, this is the rule, kol shemalachti miyuchedes la'avera, any tool which is designated for something which is also to be done on Sheviis, it's also to sell it to an Amoritz. However, if it's designated le'isr ulaheter, for something which is also and also to something which is mutter, so then mutter, it's mutter to sell it to an Amoritz.